This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332. This is the most desired floor plan of Gold Springs Townhomes with a master suite on the entry level and a spacious 1,812 square feet. Nestled among breathtaking color-changing trees, this lovely setting has a private entry gate leading to an inviting courtyard. There are 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms and a 2-car garage in this townhouse. The open floor plan, with a vaulted ceiling, increases natural light, maximizes your space, and fosters a social environment. Enjoy the large kitchen, with brand new laminate floors, beautiful wood cabinets that provide plenty of storage space and a stainless steel microwave and oven. Grab a hot cocoa, book, and lounge on the couch as the gas stove will warm you up on those cold winter days. Sliding doors access the patio that contains beautiful tile, and an awning to keep you shaded on sunny days. The upstairs consists of 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a sizable loft great for use as an office. Your HOA fees grants you access to the clubhouse, swimming pool and tennis courts. RV spaces are available at no additional costs. This location puts you in close proximity to historic Columbia, Sonora, Ingalls Camp, and Murphy's. For more information, review the details below or contact Shari Lyons less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139557, LIC number 019154332 at 209-532-7400.